here, and it's like and I got a little bit of a shimmy. An O2 sensor, and a Misfire in cylinder 3. Hey everyone, so this was just a quick video so you can hear what a Misfire sounds like. I was having some other issues which I'll talk about in my next video, which the card will be right here, and it's me going into more detail about the Misfire and how I fixed it. Just a quick little summary. It was the coil pack and a spark plug. And as well, I'll link some other videos down below that helped me do my install. And one more thing, if you enjoyed what you saw here today, please comment, like, and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!